The snow in Utah can be great fun whether you're out snowmobiling or just enjoying a ski trip. But it's not very much fun when you get home and your pipe's frozen and burst. So it's good to have someone you can rely on to fix your furnace right away, because when the pipes are freezing, you only have minutes or hours before you need to get it taken care of.
HVAC Plus, residential and commercial. You can schedule an appointment right from our website at hvacplusinc.com. HVAC Plus, the right way, right away. 801-270-0005.
So call us, HVAC Plus, the right way, right away.